Next video, I'm gonna be fixing this mess. That's gonna be a fun project. What's up, YouTube? It's been a few days since I picked up the camera. Last video I said I was gonna clean out the trunk of the G. So I went to Home Depot. I'm actually gonna be doing a wood setup for the G. Went to Home Depot, picked up some wood, some floorboard. It was like $20 for the whole thing. So yeah, pretty cheap. And I'm gonna be using my trunk mat to trace out the layout of the trunk and then cut it out. That's really it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna trace this out and I'll update y'all when I'm done. Alright, I traced it out. I'm gonna take the wood apart and cut it one by one. Like, cut this by itself, cut this by itself, and so on. And then test fit it in the trunk. Alright, I finished the first piece. That took way longer than I expected it to take. Blah. My arms are tired. The cuts are not good at all. Yeah, that's bad. But it's okay. I plan on redoing it later next year. This is just gonna be temporary, you know. It's not that bad for my first try, so you know, I'm not mad at it, but I'm not happy with it. It's alright. Alright, second board done. This is worse than the first one. It's mainly the curves. The cutter that I have can't do curves. So yeah, it's just, like I said, I'll redo it later in the year or next year. And yeah.
I'm sorry that I tried to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to catch up, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking down. I'm sorry that I tried to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to catch shot, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking down. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking down. I'm sorry that I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job, feeling like a bitch, you know that I'm fucking. I'm sorry that I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job.
I finished all the cutting. They're not good cuts, but it's whatever. Now I just gotta clean out this. As you can see, the only thing supporting my trunk was cardboard, and got some wood back there, but it's not long enough. So everything's just pushed down in the middle, which is why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna clean everything out and start putting the wood in.
Am I the one for you? You're not by my side. I feel like skipping town, you're not down to ride. Cancel all the plans, yeah, you make me cry. Drive my Volvo off a mountain, beat up juiced out. Yeah, I hate life, but that's alright. Miss your fingers down my back in the nighttime. You're so bad for me, but that's alright. I know you're coming back in the morning when I'm just fine for you.
Alright, I got everything out. I'm gonna unscrew this to make sure there's nothing under here that I need. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna unscrew that. Unscrew this one as well. And then I'll start putting the wood in. And yeah. I'll update y'all when I'm done. Alright, there was nothing in there. Nothing important, at least. So, I'm gonna clean these off and start putting it in the trunk. Yeah. Alright, so I'm having some fitment issues. As you can see, this board is too long. Well, both of these boards are too long. So, yeah. I fucked up. Don't know what to do. I'll update all later. So, I got a new plan. I figured it out. I can just, shoot, I'm so short. I can just cut this off and then cut this shorter, and then everything will line up. I traced out the car mat, so that's probably, I don't know why stuff didn't line up, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut this and cut that shorter, and everything should fit. Yeah, so I'll update y'all when I'm done. Yeah. It's the next day. I cut out all the pieces that I needed to cut out. Just gotta put them in the trunk, and I'll show y'all how that looks when I'm done. God, it's cold. So I got all the pieces sitting in the trunk. They're not sitting flush like I want them to, due to my bad cutting, obviously. But since they're not sitting flush, they're not locking in properly. You can see this gap right here. There's only this one that you can really see it with. I gotta cut it shorter. But since it's not sitting flush, it's not sturdy. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna redo the whole thing later. Right now, it's just, hopefully it's sturdy enough to hold my tools and my jack, and I think that's it. But yeah, like I said, I'll redo it later. Kind of disappointed, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, so I was thinking, I'm just gonna cut this smaller so everything can sit better and sit more flush than it is right now. And then go back to Home Depot, get some more wood, and put pieces of wood under here for more support. Cause I need enough support to carry my subs, and my subs are not light. They're actually pretty heavy. It's 210s. One box. So yeah, I need some support to carry that. But yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be this video. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out, and I'll update y'all. Okay, did some more thinking. I was using this big ass cardboard to help support my trunk, and these two pieces of wood. I'm gonna put this cardboard back in the trunk, and hopefully that's enough support to support the wood. So yeah, I'm gonna try that out, and then I'll update y'all when I'm done. Okay, so I was still thinking, and I forgot. I had an extra piece of wood that I didn't use because I didn't need it. So I'm gonna use this and a piece that I cut out for more support. The cardboard didn't work. But yeah, I'm gonna use these two pieces of wood, and hopefully that helps out and works. It might sit uneven in the corners. God, it's dark. Why is it dark? Yeah, but you can't see it really, but it doesn't go all the way to the corner, so it might sit uneven with that. But it might be fun. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Alright. Big no juice. These are the subs that need to go in that car. I don't even think they're gonna fit in the trunk. I'm gonna have to get a smaller box. But yeah, it's 210s. So I need enough support to carry these. But it's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna get some more support, and hopefully that helps out and works. Yeah. Yeah. Big no juice. Okay. Everything lines up better now. It's still flimsy in the middle, Like, that's not holding my subs. Might hold the book bag, but this is full of, god damn, it's full of tools and spacers and tools and batteries and tools and tools. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw this in, see if it can support it. If it can, then I'm done. If it can't, then I'll probably go to Home Depot tomorrow and get some more wood. So yeah. Okay, so it kind of worked out. It couldn't hold the bag in the middle, so I'll be going to Home Depot not tomorrow, but sometime this month or next month. Get some more wood for support. Put it in the middle. So for now, I just put the bag to the side, and it's actually sitting good. Throw all the small stuff in the middle into the side. So yeah, it's not bad, but I can do better. I know I can do better. So yeah, I'll be redoing it. Like I said, not this month. Probably not next month. Probably January. I'll redo the trunk. And yeah. So I'm pretty much done now. God, I'm black. Holy. I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it.